inside of the other part of the building is the offices. It's as well. Well, that's good. No. I will help you. Oh no! Now we are stuck inside of this building. I don't know what is the stupid problem. Stop right there! I found the pusher. Yay! We found the exit. Ooh. Another respected opinion. And this as well. In the middle of the property. So well, in the other street of the building is open. Oh my god! What happened to the building 44?
No.
It changed the lift? Oh. So they decided to change the lift. It is as well as a matter. Now in the building 46, we go along to the next lift, which is a station crab and error system. Go up. Good thing did. Let's get up. 7. In also with this 4000video make it grounded videos including the lifts, like going Brofilm's elevator is co/grounded and duplex crashes the elevator /grounded. So there's only 2 videos on where get grounded.
Sí, habla más flojito, por el amor de Dios, voy mareada.
Man. It's time to go. Ground floor. Hey! What is this because the stupid peasants were stopped in the 6th floor. And well, they stop us for no reason. And I hope another floor now stops persons to us for no stupid reasons. And I hope that it never happened that. But there are reasons. On the ground floor. Couldn't